Hello, my brothers and sisters. My network they fuck up. I don't know whether I even they hear myself. I don't know what happened to my network. It not agree work again. Hello, brothers and sisters. Good evening from Untouchable Mama. Are you people hearing me? Are you people hearing me? I feel put the music for the last if I finish. I don't know what happened. I don't know whether I even dey like self. It just day off. Anyway, una dey hear me? Why am I don't know whether I don't know whether I dey like self. What is going on with the network? Okay, my sister, thank you. Una good evening, my brothers and sisters there from Untouchable Mama. Because the network not good. I don't know what they worry am. But today, I know say na Benin now always they speak, because now my Benin people now want to talk to. So if una not dey hear me, now let me know because I don't know the network just dey misbehave anyhow today. Wait, no hemi ha gwa kare na Ekpare epaira no migo me Untouchable Mama kata ina we set it yebonu epa gele yet it yebonu cause u die no dun amako ko mebere oni ate bone no wan epa eni megere no de e video when ni megere no de oh eri daya we mi epa la wo eri daya u ni ka to we ne kedo to redion eri daya u ato uwa hene uwa mu go epa udie mo diun uwa hene nuwa mu go eri daya u awawa no matter uwa mo ma gba ne gbezo uheni umati o mani nu ha mewe ene na nu ha u na fi obojo ewe imari egbejo wa we o se zo ni ma we una wa live video rude dion no sage epa gbere iwo epa o da me ni mane igi emani no ma so tu we yan aro viewe be ni meje mekwe ikwe no ovi ohani die no tie bo me o se iwa eko dolu ni meji emani ka bo yen yan eme even ni mesi mi ona ye no gun me gwan ni we ni ma like all touch me because ultimate no dion me na we mese me era nu me wa ni me gwan ni ya gun iwa eko wa ewe iwa aroma ni ipa no wa bu de dion ladian we edion we na support a governor anybody na do rigo be na rigo all in a time o ma mu ene ijene o we get okay me no taje bo eli khai me no taje ana we na support a governor gima eni dateta de governor gima dinyama eni dateta o le se yen ma o sie una wa ro de dio na wa la dian we for 120 epa yetiti we ni we epa ha ya tie we bete nu we wu epa ibi e ka ya ro yo ma la wo elida u veri oni elida o count 1 to 10 okay we mi pa elida count 1 to 10 when I be dio e o ka te ya ne una be ya fi po ge wo kan epa la wo la o egi me no Untouchable Mama egi me do aro we ima we de la wo because ya we gbe ga ya bonye ne do epa la o ime mi we emi ya fefe no wa ta be no de e concern awo enya we owo ma na amo ma ne o ma ni na we mi kere agbada wa mi we ri la ma ni o ri la e ho boki oviedo ma ya hin de ke ma le gberie apare we bonare do ni ma yeverie do ni ma ya yeverie boze ni ma treat gbe ma bad ma give ye wo we ibi e wo we yen jeverie o boze na na me we ma ni vie do mama love gbe ma uheni me video o ma tie boy ni if we the other video when me wa be lelu we no ha we wa ge e follow age on so again na you can't type before o ma no ka da me ya di o me before me ni me lelu we ri me lele dion man understand me say wale luwe because oma no like him no mind making. Even where many people like him, but your character Emma la wo. Imatia bon wen bet odion na we mi obo kana dege we no odion you we ma okay ota man e ri odion meji o bege we no wo kan wo oti ota man we na no na fi we ri we ma e pa nu we is very bad. Is very very bad. E dio no sage ona ga obi ju we ne khere mo o ga obi ju we ne khere ani mi ya no we talo me no we khare ya me na megbo wa ri we wa khare ya ma so pa e una mo woman ne o ma ni na wa ko ona ne un khere sefi ke mi ya be na ya bi o we gbe wa do ran ya wa e pa ile da we ri oni many people only ate dey buy a PFM we but because of you e ma ya ma oni ate ba because of enu yawu e ma eli da we ri oni awon wo baseki o la din o be do odun avenu ya tie bo no be do u we ri oni but o ma we ri oni o ma we ri oni because a leader can't okay we mi a leader ne control tempare eti we leader eti kokoma e pa matter when I tinye no then na you ga watch a video ni ina we pa na we pa do your una block me ye be mi ati ewe I don't care iye te mi ata iwa gwan me audio me oma na we mi e pa una mi oma we mi no magba uti e menu wa evani ima manivie do ana wo wa evani o wa we la dia no we do we en hado do le doji ima vio boju wa yeke but why you epa was on a jealous edion why edion ra we mi ona tell me no magba when I say no why asopi oba eromo o ma keke nu we ti obi ohani we dion no matter we nu ga explain ne eneni o we live video we egume won wuri yo bogbera o ya we edion ma de stupid o kama we iye wa time ri oni edion ozuo o le ta we ye mani dige governor ni ya we charity ogiyen epa emi ya no we ta no de ya we gbe total watch that video watch eri no we ya behave pa o ma atama we pa you do it well iya okay a PFM we o wa de na me dey tell you because many people wa le here ma oni adeba many ma oni adeba who what ye born no mat tie e no wan pa e behave very oni e no wan very oni all your higher me e fo iye ya fefe ni we live video better be there na wa bati na we iwo ina wa bati o gege ati e bonu e na ni o di me o da me o yo han ro bi no wan iwo mo na makoko no better pa we mi na ya ti e bonu we egu yi o gita ma we better mata no uwe mi na ya ti e bonu e when o ga e di o ga e di o abat o ladian obedo ti e bonu e ma e di oni egba ya mo we no di onu poge ba han gba draw tu aka what emi ya fefe obo kan o bi edo o bi gbono we don't even care o no ga o bi kalaba no no care nobody no eke no bo kan ekere e pa nu e ga we ga wo mai enu we ai we ya ga we o dan we e wo mai if I live video in ya fefe ni we live video no ma eti e bonu e okokpa we no ma eti e bonu we okokpa is very bad epa is very very bad when you watch a video ni the other video no ka re no na we obase kima o ma edion uka agogo be de uka agogo be live video wo obase kima o don na akwere o no obase ki ige video ni na wa re na we pana na we o bia na change there una wa agogo we o ma won but I don't even bloody care oni maka we but no we wa we no there na abeg I no fit speak English my sister na me Benin people I want talk to no we wa una no we wa una pa no la wo o ma na fi weri e pa omo mo ibia ka no de no 10 years no 15 years in do ya we wa which is very bad my pa la wo fi weri e unyiwe no deni is very very bad e jo ke o ma na koko imota e jo akoke egbe awa koke omo na koko no de omo na koko na wo ma we enyo ga anybody no we live video no be we ya drop a lady person ya la o epa la wo 4120 4199 uke okono ga 41 do ma no e na dia wo fi yego me dem wa ni ye awu me ya wu ma egba ni ye ma egba ne do ono na o ma na egba ni ye do na ono na aha masemegbe aha oha masemena oha we no pana epa what is all this wo wa gbe tebe live video we wa no epa oho nu we live video no ya tie bombe ibe reply we be die na tai watama we na oho edinya ni pana atama we epa do an we epa ma we se motama we uma we se menu wa eneni asesini tie dion wa ha wi na le governor ya challenge we bo e dion ga iwere gbeye we no problem I go do am and e me we dion gele we because mani re na my house wo e ti ma colleague be true man na ha re joba se kino ya don le doji igi ma wa ye gede gbe wo wa e ba no na we jesi ha ma dion we na we na una wa ladian we na ya bio we ni ya we no pa we ni ya we no pa we no ha ya pa do ma no ma mi no ma lagbon fo no giarwa o we ata women no we no mo kan ya kpasi a o se no kan na kpasi a epa o ho no bio mo dio no we yongu we wa be de na ha o ho no bio mo dio no we yongu we wa be de na wala wo ave no wa una which is very bad epa many things wa don ya wa tamawe which is very bad a problem mema andu wa bo na amegbezo so a private issue oge si ayo wa si ae no matter of no de emi rock by no we ma you no kan no de then not your na do call if you we because boy bungbe pa o bungbe se boy na ya bekun si ae ijo sa boy ya mi we si ae ge wo ge o ga we no ma ke asesini o tie o merete no ya tie wo ya ha no ya ha me we na na we gbe we if na we no ya we na o ma dejo why the agbonya ya fefe ni we live video why the senior no ro wo di agbon ya when we je you are my father but many rather no we eri many una we no ma keke iha ma we daddy na no na magba before ma make do tie bonu because I want na tie bonu we all di me e pa no we no de ni ma na ma ke we na na ma ke o we e di no say wa we for 19 no for 120 no we don't bloody care I no go for 100 o ma be oni ya we na ya biozu abioji because we abiozu o emi no ro wa mu wa o ya mu o mu ari o mu o ya hwe we wa abioji o irawo o mu adi ogwa what we sunu me boy na wo we pa o wa tie no o ma wa ni be to be o ma wa call you we ana mi ye no gu we go wa tie FBI e pa go me ha ma we FBI yan ne we FBI dinya le gawe America e Europe ni magena when abu carabinieri ke kan police ya wo ya report on ma when evidence no ye gbakara yen le we ni we wa ya po FBI nenemi FBI wetin FBI yan rioma FBI rioma wetin dey for America we not dey for Europe e Europe ko e masene na America self e Europe ma na o mass America e we na ba beta oma wagu wegun wa investigate nenemi epadu I investigate na private investigate me kama be no ro the Europe na imagine without a judge ma give you a go ahead you don't have right no ya investigate ma even a law khere be won imagine without a judge ma sign a paper no you don't have that right una we wa mi illegal you will be in prison for it ou geranjo me pa na be we bo pe ni keta e no de la o enedia e lo no wa mu memu dia we ni wa hon gidigba wa gu we gwa kere ebia wetin ebia yan ne ge we ato agbode atemata e mata ma we na tinye they don't have your time ya pupa kon ya threaten nema ya ha mema we you ha we I will investigate you they no investigate you don't investigate on anybody. We investigate in anybody. We will investigate where one judge sign no. You can investigate on that. Okay, my forget about that one. Na ke America. Na ke Europe no ya mass America ya be. So only. So wa gwa egbe weti agwa be JJC no dare gwa ni manage no pe na ewo. Italy product me wa hin. Italy product. Ma understand? So wa tell me so gbe se wa ge ri han ti FBI no na ri FBI do e carabinieri we na ti e kan ya ha ma we ke cosa ya ke do pa e ke we je ke cosa successo e be ni akari ege judge ha ta we na mo ma ni giyan e mo wa ya ta be ma na FBI o gboyi I will call FBI nenemi I will gbadi yan we America o because imagine wa ge ni yan because e ma na ajiyan pupa come ma na e guarda di finanza no rema now where wa body who have guarda di finanza or where ya ti guarda di finanza no ma we am time they have your time they don't have your time wa chu wa ma wa we nem wa threaten e wa we no pa e mind your business mind your business abie vive no one ya behave wo momo na be we at least someone no igbere 50 years in there because I don't know your age e can me na igbere 40 ne we igbere 50 ne so e pa behave as a no one ni bia kan ya we ya pupa come a live video you understand ya we ya pupa come which is very bad woman have change e ya we ya pupa come ana ire oja wewe wa no pare oja wewe wa awe fie gogo yo wa awe ti ebo no ato asenya we bai onu we gwa lo change we no ya we mi eru do we awo wo ma mo ma na ya mo ebo no to gbo ma awe we no den we ya we live video no we wo re di no side geni na ma ke on we wa ti di no side ge for 100 no ga for 1000 me mi ma no e la dia boldly wa la dia wo we prove we ge igo ni ya we di no side gbegba adu e ke na hion finye wetin unu na area na wa ori gba wa ria wa kwere but etu wa seti o onyo wa di no ki wona zeta ta azeta e bi agwale kian nene mi gwale kian oji no eri nene mi eri no pa no John Sagere de na wo ye le ko wo kian so e pala wo me ma one di on la di an no because di on e ne ge no ya la di an no me du yan do reply we self e me ge oni ya like boy ni e reply emi bunu ya like dion many people ya ta we wa ge rude charity no e ru don yopa me no ya behave any ge o my we live video one day no we ru daru won pa yan na ladian no do ata I like boy ni gbe because o ma no de o ma na koko ya en we agele koke era ni je yan agele koke you will never see dion o ga me no me na wari ame ni ya wari ane dion I wa la jade gbe I me to re me wa we bete dion e je ve ri oni owa ko wa oye wa oye na me we unu na yari ya ma ga dology ota ni eke ihun pe kwa be gbe ere wetin be all that wetin be all that pa change woman change e bia ka ro be we mota ma we then go dey cost you anyhow na re oti enu no pa re oti enu udo yi hane udo hie no wa ni bia ka ya gbe bolu Udo here no when what they call you osas white go you say me I go sleep you dey craze your head not correct I call you for here me call you wana si ame no gba do no wa beg me o ke no wa ata when e pa ya behave e pa na weather we like on na weather visual wa like all at all what e bo we lie go kan no ma pa eva wetin concern the woman we marry we do marry wetin dey worry you I not call you for here may you just package yourself go one corner Uri you na very girl can no ma pa eva o wi gbona o wi o nene mi no o wi no pa no who ask you epa when we have no deni ish well very bad enu ta we wa re di on ha me e follow are when me wa follow we me follow e di on ka be tai ba ka ta ere no pe when follow we follow e di on wa we mi o ma mi we ru de mi no ni ri like iba do gbegwe we no igbegwe no pa e nu we no that is very bad e no why behave very only e no why we only you behave well behave sepa egioma tama we onuare live video ni do we PLPF carry on you are doing it well ibia ka ya robi ewe wa carry on very oni ya ti ebonu ya ti ebonu no ma say eje last one of we all at the end robi ewe wetin be other one wa like very you ti continue therefore dion dion we Obaseki we ya mi Obaseki my brother now you get yourself because me right in atama we ya mi Obaseki or name no but all project in my brother me I just tell you face your charity face your foundation nobody no rema no ha support we na ya dole doniji mo wata nobody will support because man e go we no ba mo vien ma wa na e go we no ba wa mo vien then ya na mu gi male many people not aro not away just I go support but ya mu gi male I ma suffer we ma na ma hu gi ma So that one you no we wa tave no deni dion. So oni wa pa ke ye kan pa wa mo fua. Lu wa gbon yo to wa nyangare fua nobody no support oni. Una e ma na ro na support na me the charity we just we go support. I don't know, my brother. I don't know if Dion followed governor. What is the map problem? I don't know what it be problem because you know say not like Obaseki. So I see not like Obaseki now. So now me can do like that. Because all the governor we get for Benin, because they're not good. Any I understand. Say may you not go there. If you go there, why you go in and no matter donate today. Obaseki ya we neck bay. Of course I understand that. But a dear man, they stupid. Or a dear we are move with okay no Obaseki je. Shall talk over your talk. Because my yo now because I don't my one go. Okay, can I fight in ya? Ni amugi maladian. Na ya don't let we maji. Man ready and handle don't let we maji. My tea adolege in another way. My tea adolege in another way. What do they call you Osas, Osas white. Now God now go punish your generation. I not call you for you. Me call you. I call you. If I boy fear kunlelewe. Met you webe mana. Uju wek baba na mere. If no ma ba eva amujo wo hu. What is your worry this one? You hear say I cause a parent amigo. I no cause am. He behavior no good. I go tell am. If you like, may you die. If you want die, Osas white. If you want die, may you die. I no cause am. I don't fit talk and say I no fit cause a parent amigo. But if you do something wey no good, I go tell am. If you still do wetin no good, una remember that time where I do audio. I don't know whether I don't watch. I'm gonna go see my YouTube. I still talk to you. I no dey fear anybody. If person dey do something wey no good, I go tell am. Just say okay, for example, maybe we just talk and say okay, if maybe we want support our governor, the boy not talk say maybe we can support our governor. What it be other one? One year when me only be say na gboma ba. Only man say na gboma ba ni unu no ma ya gwan kekan. I go block unu no ma ya gwan kekan. Only be say na gboma ba. Na what a neck bomb mama ba. Udo hama where rio kan we lesen we aye. Rio no pa dem no one ya demu. Osas white on ya demu. Only me no demu. Wa temata. Wa gimani me do wa gimata mata ma dege mata wa gimata. Me no ya gwe dion gwa me live video ni. Ora ma. Okay, me ne dion je na dion we we no. Dion we don no. O vie se me no we veje. Ase no wan imejeta imesi agbawa dalunu yata you are umwe phone utie we dio video no ni yo bojo okona me wu we na reso anywhere o gbe message ge yo bojo because really igwere we bo na eti makole ima nwina ai nwina ne ade ado we na muge Obaseki omni magba edio enewe betu benu we ya we don there no. Ora obi jime e di onkin monta ma we do ale we live video igele ya ija we no ke ya we bet epa it's enough la wo fi werie ne ma mi ke na because e ma no le lu we e ma no wale le we the PFM ni o we le di omo sagie o wa le because many people like him normal what's the manager we ni here why we di on 419 no 420 epa okay then we when at you way then we when at you way e di on ga 420 425 okay good then we when at you way wetin be all this e no ma se mi ho awaje na ge mi ati ne ni go na ta donate o ama o yere wa tai we ge me no taje se o sare gba ma ba o se agba ma ba je ya we no taje ma se agba ma ba pa Osas you are block oni be se agba ma ba pa o ma se agba ma ba o ma se agba ma ba na e we ba be na ne pisi are ya ne pisi aro wetin ne pisi aro many meje mete on me dey by that PFM beti ma de ba be nu jawu ito ge ma we even nu jawu maleke pa ma when we man change a PFM ni o me wa call man you join PFM what here we no there what here what we act here no re the no re Germany we don't support a PFM here only now we are never support with money Bona okay ime ya ta mani bi edo akugbe seti aro akugbe olowo ke aro o wa lowo ke aro because mama love egbima ha ma se me gbe yo na ama na o lete boy ni gele ne di o wa teme na anyo na gele mi we o gele do na anyo go orio bojo e ba ni we hana challenge we dion e na nu na we ma ni rewe botinya koligo we boa wana we ni amigo ni ha mu ade we wa emigo nigo no waru we wa enwe pa we na wa ladian aka this epa ime himi we ime do himi we ime wa do himi we we nu jawu emma egi bie ka ro wie we ovi ohan we mi no ma gba tie tamae uma onu tie gbe message ge kamewe no call iwe gwegun we na no na eri o keke no raje enu we no deni is very bad ya we gbe ga ya bonye nedo ovi edo we hin o ma na we gbe we we like tenata no ge we meso o ma na we gbe we you will like it aga na wo again na sunu we ga ni bo what here we blessing me la die be defend you we me we audio we ya we defend you we so emigo why ga mu gbagbagba ma na mi na gbonte iye we ru that way eko we e carry ere that dion o si ona la dia me no then but is very bad ibi e ka ya mi on afo unless we umake we ni ati e bonu we be me no ja o ga e odi me anybody na la dia ba ona do ati e bonu we ona ni all da me because me ona we da me because of your heart e bo me all da me all di me we abo na kwen no sense na many na ro we no se me of your hand na do ati e bonu me wa try no wa make a peace me wu we ma we make a peace pa me wa oni again e di ona America o ga gwa le phone number we o ga gwa le phone anu wa e we di o ga gwa le phone number we pa wa e even ma me di o we gun na da me di o la wo my brother akugbo e ti o we do my ya wa America try no call pa make pics with obiana e boy na riye ona gele riye but o say ba ni o time live video we gwa le phone number we wa gwa le phone number we o ga no way ni kama we pa no way no ko gele riye ba be ko we no we home because every we ma home if you me ba we nya mosto nya home we di on we live video o gwa le phone number we o call e we my son e ba ni na o ma na no bi anya wo bi aje me no dere o ma na ri mi je ko e ba ni na o na ri mi je ko because we bo ani mu wene we ho wo yin gwale no ba we ma wonu we tie wa my son we mi ya je yon ra gwa lo me no you don't do that because ma we ma gwale na anything di ono say your money dey life we be no dey ni am to na ladia e boy na ga ma na me character o me ladia me wo ge de ne ya ga nyon o ga ton awe he ye do yan le so ye do me so e pa la wo I mare do tie bonu e bet wa we ti tie bonu e take care your name but for me ma tie bonu is my advice change even no ya behave is not o ma dejo at all la wo yo saba yen we wa woman onu make a peace with a dion but I pray one day o sabo touch we mind we no ya make a peace with a boy na because o ma me no ona be dey wrong pa uru me right no ya ka me we na no na o ma dejo fear we re e dion ma be ri oni o e ha ma we okay yen ho what if one de ke ma legberie ane ke na legberie ma ke ma pa bani ameri owa Nigeria ameri edo ni ma mo se mi egbebo ama mi egbebe yo ring road ni ami egbebe ring road awa mi ona wa hate video no we no deni yes nene mi yes awa dangele no pa no okay ono pa la me na le la awa be na le la dia ave we pa o madam no nene mi no oviedo ha o me se ti gba ne do o loho o wa loho o me se ti gba ne do o wa loho because mama like egbima mama like egbima ma ba wa pretend ma pretend igberi ma like egbima ovie we iwe mi we titi enu ta ma we na iwe o ade ye ho ipa we wari on e wari ye na ye ho ma okpia for that matter ohuo o we we ya we pa ohuo okpia nene di on wi je we no je be joni on wi ya mi Obaseki nu we na wa agogo na wa agogo we wa agogo sef we o te won hen nene mi ko me be be di we wa agogo vo ma e dia ya wu o we ke nu gbon wo u kweta Obaseki no na wi ma e di on e do ni u gbon ine we no ya ta wo ma be he pa na wa we na agogo jo wo wi ma won they no need them we be la di next day udoro bi o fi pe ge bo han now epa o hu we no ro wa ma na fi pe ge we like u like only eja we gbege na ha ni u like abeg bo na small thing I say me I just TikTok today I no fit talk because all this my Benin people if you don't na here je headache ya worry over we not like ourselves we too hate ourselves ma hate egbe magbe ma wa pretend gi ma like egbe mama ba like ona wa semi go ne ba no hana do won we di ma gele like egbe ma o wa semi go wa do hen we just mama gele like egbe ma ibanu we hana wa we mama ma ni vie do mama like egbe ma o vie do ni wa we o ti gbo e wa ba mi go ona wa ta we go no o wa gbo a e ga o yeke I bet my brothers and sisters then. As small thing I still get me I talk igbeyawo me that came winare but see now we just you only go on. Tomorrow is my free day. Tomorrow I will talk about what they call am monkey face no monkey face. Be like say don dey change tomorrow now go talk about I no want me I talk today. So epa fiwerie now oviedo ehuhi. Me na ya we live video you are the senior. Ejonosage oweno wa we ele owo wo ti bi egbomo me no no jonosage je nwe tamawe we make no wi we asere de na hwe o make no we ha hia la de na hwe o mai no we a wo wa hwe so beni meje jo mo mehi ijo e boy say ha e meme mother say make ni imi ha hia la de na hwe so even ne parents you gbeso ya affect mo we de agari de ne oja affect yan if allow wo change the way no yawo change it as a leader before okay lose your temper I can't a leader self o ma ke no lose temper o ma ke because we vie ma hian abe ma we vie han ni iya hu we ya we mi iya ge we ya we mi e really di ma o wa mi e di ma ni a una we mi enu we wu ni o we ne ke robe do we when I have me we we no denia so ave man we vio hian ni ya ge we ya o we rioni e my pa so for genocide game my brother when we enime ya like we obun emi ya ni ya like we obun irrespect no many iye ta o my we live video one day no wa ro darun baladi an do ati ebo no mani I respect you for that you are respect you because imagine no men na set ya build many things oga men no ya lose ne itore but continue like that Obaseki wa wo ya me good but face your foundation la wo my brother face your foundation face it because nobody be we bomana no ha do donate when I ya dole doji my do nobody no we oga tinya mawo wa we governor rimanya wa gele we better thing o my work I go help bet yen wa mu hima pa yen mo ade Europe wa se Swiss yen mo bonjo yen wa ya lo digi ma ye ba ni ave Dubai yen ya lo de ye ba ni ma me igoro wo ni igoro so mi na ma ha wo na fighting ya ni go ni alu eye wo man ni that is not the thing oye wa no because wa face your benu wa be charity we ni wa mi ma no amegbe no ho mi no be riela dia o ma ne ho e soft no be no ne me do be where o ma na only help o be help. That is okay, my brother. My very only e kwa wo we here. Even any only why many things ni why I like you because who they educated. That is many ya tie Oloho wa mi edion one of them ona wala di ona wa do atie bon. No. But a para no mi go we na ni which is very bad. Which is very bad. A leader o ma ke no we ri oni pa. Wa vie ma here because I me man we view here me ya re we I go do am. Area ya lead the pa. Sorry to say. Area ya lead. Mami we wa gbi na jini o ga we eyan ni rigi mani. Most of us ma ya fe no ma like ero. But any do aro no we ugbesun do ya wa. We wa do we ni here u do ya wa. Emma. Continue. Ave do uni. We no ya fighting ya. And I got threatening normal with FBI. I got threatening normal with FBI. I go call FBI for you. Nobody. Or FBI yan rioma. Or mama ni maje yan he. They don't eat anybody because in yakwe be mega safe. They don't have time for nonsense. We what yan. Or no one for no be yan. They don't care. Or na we when Italy na je no. They don't care. Men we what a police. Rudana wa gwan what a police ne. What nonsense. One when nonsense yan make better time. They don't have that time. I'm not serious. Enya gwanji, rubbish. Enya gwan rubbish. So that is that. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is my free day. No work tomorrow. So we will talk about maybe some other thing. So not even know Danny. Why watch you? No what touch him. Now we are going to because epa of working. Or twerking. Wa take care very on you. Why when ni tama west enata no. O ma keke no la di ameri odo we no do atie bonedio. O ma severi on at all. Ma severi on. Utie we na igore we bo. Don't try it. Oh we here baba. I just say maybe me not age enye ya ha. Me not age nye ma wi yan we be not age. Eri ebo ni beta ma beta we. Me we come donate. O we be not age. Me be dame yo. We be not age. So ruda wu ka hete ene. Wa do mi tun ne we ota wu ha wa do gbe wa de gain no amiewo nti e from 120 de gain no no gain pa. So from Otoshebo mama, I see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my blessed people. My network not good, so no music to end until when what in here ami might ya end ahwa ikboni. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is my free day. I will talk to you people. One love. Wagima love egbima. Manivie do. Wagima love egbima. Nivie maveni ya jealousy ma. Any man do am also na mo boze do ya gwivie do gun. Iyo ni azebo. We wageti wazebo ya tibe pe live ba ni bet. Ima o ne ma evie wo ve ni ando hem ni ta. Evie do me oni gugun. Also cause me we speak English. I don't want me speak English. You no. Gumezedo we hanzedo amazewo mageba we know awi so a domain ori emegbe. So see you tomorrow bye happy Sunday again, bye.